Welcome back. Today we will learn Prasarit Padottanasana. There are three different ways to do it. It's an intense stretch, also known as wide-legged intense forward bend. Spread your legs wider than shoulder length. Spread as much as you are comfortable. Do not spread too much or else you will cause injury to your spine or leg or groins. Make sure you are engaging your core, back straight. Place your palms on your waist like this. Inhale, relax your shoulders, elbows backwards. Locking the knees, go easy as you exhale. Slowly bend forward as slow as you can. Do not slouch. Keep your spine straight and shoulders engaged. Practicing this asana helps in achieving headstand, tripod headstand, provides a deep stretch for the hips and the legs, especially the hamstrings and calves. This is great for people with a shortened back line of the body. As you go halfway down, bring your palms on the mat in front of you in line with your toes. Make sure you put equal weight on your right foot and left foot and not tilting to one side or being back and forth. Focus and balance yourself first. When you are able to touch your crown to the floor, make sure to place it between your hands. Stay here for a few breaths. Observe the stretch in your hamstrings, lower back, and this is where we store all the emotions which make it stiff as the time passes by. Release those emotions as you practice daily. Now inhale and lengthen your spine as you come up. Look forward, place your hands on your waist and come up slowly. Keep breathing in and out. Relax and prepare yourself for the second variation of Prasarit Padottanasana. Start by placing your hands on the waist, lengthen your spine. Now as you exhale, come down. When you're halfway down, inhale and make 3 fingers like this to form a grip on the big toe. Index and middle finger goes inside and the thumb on the outer part of the big toe. Exhale and draw your lower belly, crunch fully and extend forward. Here you can spread your leg as far as you can as per your comfortability. Do not overdo. Do not keep your elbows underneath your legs. Place them outwards like this. You will eventually be able to touch your head to the floor. So remember to keep up the consistency. Now inhale as you come up slowly. Prepare yourself before moving on to the third variation of Prasarit Padottanasana. Now inhale and come up slowly. Exhale. First take your palms and place them on your waist and inhale as you lift yourself up. Come down the same way as you did before, locking the knees, going easy as you exhale and slowly bend forward as slow as you can. Do not slouch, keep your spine straight this time as well and shoulders engaged. As you go halfway down, it's a great posture to improve mobility and strength around your ankles, hamstrings, legs, hips. Helps to lengthen the spine, and the variations of this posture also release tension around your shoulders. Inhale and reach down, interlock from behind and feel the stretch. Go down as slow as you can. You can try to spread your legs as per your comfortability. Arms to drop behind the head as much as possible. Working on your mobility, keep breathing in and out. Make sure there is no tension on your shoulder, neck, hands or legs. Don't try to overdo, as with practice you will be able to touch your crown to the floor. The knees and legs build up strength and stability in this pose, as they are the main area of muscle activation. People with spinal disorders like herniated disc, advanced cervical spondylitis and lumbar spondylitis, scoliosis and kyphosis should avoid this asana. Pregnant individuals should avoid deep forward bending, including modified Prasarit Padottanasana, to prevent undue pressure on the abdomen. Avoid if you are suffering from injuries in ankles, knees, wrist, sprain in neck, shoulders or groin. If you have gone through surgery in the knees, ankle or wrist, avoid this asana. Stand tall, get your feet together. You can always do this 3 variations individually as per your comfortability or all together. Thank you for supporting us. To like the video and subscribe to this channel. Keep practicing yoga every day and we'll see you soon.